Hi everyone, this is Dr. Abdulaziz NP. Today I am going to discuss one of the basic concept of mathematics, that is matrices. Before defining the concept of matrices, let us consider the evolution of matrice. The term matrices was firstly used in 1850 by the famous English mathematician James Joseph Sylvester. In 1858, British mathematician Arthur Kelly began the systematic development of the theory of matrices. Later, the physicist Heisenberg used this concept to explain the principle of quantum theory. Though matrices originated in the study of linear equations, now they have acquired an independent status. They have become very useful in quantum mechanics, mathematical economics, statistics, and computer science. Today, it is regarded as one of the most powerful and convenient techniques in economics and business, especially in social accounting, input-output analysis, game theory, linear programming, industry economics, etc. Let us consider a case of two friends, namely Rahim and Raju. Rahim has 2 books, 4 notebooks and 5 pens. At the same time, Raju has 8 books, 4 notebooks and 2 pens. A convenient way of representing the above information is given in the table. The green table is showing that. In the above green table, we observe that there are 2 horizontal lines. The first horizontal line has numbers 2, 4 and 5 represented by the books, notebooks and pens possessed by Rahim. And the second horizontal line has values of 8, 4 and 2 which represents the books, notebooks and pens possessed by Raju. We also observed that there are 3 vertical lines. First vertical line showing 2 by 8 represent books, 4 by 4 notebooks and third vertical line represent 5 by 2 numbers of pen. The above information can also write in the form of below diagram, where we have 2 columns and 3 rows are there. The above information can be represented in the form of matrix. Matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 8, 4, 2. The representation of the same information can also rewrite in the form of a below format also. The arrangement of a given table or display shown above is called a matrix. Each numbers, parameters or variable given in the matrix referred to as an element of a matrix. The numbers in an horizontal line are called rows and the numbers in the vertical line are called columns. Usually, we are denote a matrix by a capital letter A or B, etc. and which are arranged in a square bracket or a large parenthesis. Thus, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, parameters or variable, each of which has carefully ordered in the form of a horizontal or vertical line. The numbers of rows R and columns C define the dimensions of matrix R into C, which are read by R by C. Some of the examples are given here. We have 4 types of examples given here. Matrix A, the first one which is showing in the red color. Matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1. 2 into 2 matrix. In this matrix, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Read as 2 into 2 matrix, which has 4 elements. In the second matrix, matrix A is equal to 3, 0, 5, 4, 1, 9, which is known as 2 into 3 matrix. In this matrix, we have 2 rows and 3 columns read by 2 into 3 matrix and has total of 6 elements. In the third matrix, matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, which is 3 into 2 matrix. In this matrix, we have 3 rows and 2 columns read as 3 into 2 matrix and has total of the 6 elements. And lastly, we have a square matrix. Matrix A is equal to 5, 1, 8, 2, 5, 6, 3, 9, 8, which is 3 into 3 matrix, where we have 3 rows and 3 columns are there. We have it is also known as 3 into 3 matrix, and in this case we have 9 elements are there. In general, matrix A having m rows and n columns, which can be written as matrix A is equal to A11, A12 up to A1n, A21, A22 up to A2n, then AM1, AM2 up to AM1. This is the general matrix. In this matrix, A11 is the element which belongs to first row and first column. Similarly, A22 which belongs to second row and second column. And AMN represent mth row and nth column. And the same way, we can define the other elements also. This matrix is an order of m into n, and the total number of elements in this matrix A are mn. Thus, in this simple way, we can define matrix is a rectangular representation of elements or numbers arranged systematically in rows and columns. Or it is a matrix, the rectangular array of numbers, parameters or variable or functions, each of which has carefully ordered in the form of horizontal and vertical lines. I hope you understood the basis of matrices, and in the next video we will discuss the types of matrices. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to get updated video by clicking bell button. I wish you all the best and see you in the next video. Thank you.